We're going Wales. Finally arrived. That's home for today and the next 3 days. Got a lot of fun activities planned. Hopefully I should be able to get some of those documented. I'm still feeling sick from the car ride. Yesterday was fun. That was just the break-in day though. This is officially day one. Alright, we got a bunch of activities planned today. I'm gonna get some cool shots and gonna do some cool stuff. Archery. Done. Your boy came joint first with little brother. I don't have the scorecard, so you're gonna have to just take my word for it. Next up. Day 2, our second day out here. It's done out here. It's done. Oh man, my back. That quad bike messes up your everything. Jeez. He might have said that we were the worst people he's ever taught. Oh, we were not good at all. Oh, it is day 3. Time is what? 10 past 7? 10 past 7 in the morning. Got some more activities planned for today. Ah, my hair's a state. We got an assault course coming up. Trying to break the time here. Or at the very least, I want to try and get the whole thing done under 2 minutes.
With great power comes great responsibility.
Work trip. It's been so nice to get out of the house and actually have some fun. This is my first time doing a proper like holiday travel vlog. I don't know, my hair is probably a right mess right now. Jeez. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of content, because I really enjoyed it. Using this thing was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun using it. And I want the channel to grow because I want to be able to do more of this kind of stuff. I want to be able to do more of this kind of stuff, and I want to be able to provide it as good content for you guys. Alright, this has been your... I was actually about to say this has been your boy. Yeah, roll credits.